Alright. Dealing with a leak, remember? Living on that. I don't have a selfie stick, so I had to make one here, so let's just go ahead and let's do that. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Take this back just a wee bit. There we go. Alright, so see there. See that spike? That's what we're dealing with here, is this thing, spike. And doesn't even look like it's wet, but there's just one little drip of water on there, and it'll be coming down shortly. So I'm going to be actually doing something a little bit different from my normal work. So I'm going to be going on the roof. And let's take you up there. Show you that real fast. How's it going? How's it going? I'll take you up here and show you what we got going on. Alright. Let's do this. Stairs actually. In the corner here. Watch your head. There's a low beam there. Stay back. Yeah, I don't plan on getting cooked. Stay back. All right, here we are, up on the roof, and what we're dealing with is over here. This is the railing here. We believe it's this spike that's gone down here that is leaking from. You can see there's some bag caulking around here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try cutting a lot of this open and use the Henry's material and see if I can patch that off. I also want to try to see if I can patch maybe along this edge right through here, because I see, you know, this got a lot of cracking. I'm not a roofer. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, but we're just going to go ahead and do this to try to see if we can save a little money on finding and buttering up this roof. So I'm gonna come up here, clean this off, and then try to go from there, see if we can get some water stoppage. So I gotta go get my harness on and some tools, and we'll have fun. Yeah, stay away from the towers, they'll nuke your ass. Yeah, all right, tools, I'll be right back. Harness off. God, it's so uncomfortable to wear those things. But look what we did. All right, I got it done just in time. The sun was shining. But we did have some rain just starting to pick up right now, so can't touch anything because unfortunately I got a bunch of tar on my jacket. I needed a new jacket anyways. All right, so it's done. Oh, I hope it's done. I came in here, cleaned up this corner. It had some rot or something going on in there. So I just went ahead and dug it all out, lifted up the flashing, squished a whole bunch of that Henry's in there, and then platted it down. So hopefully we'll get ahead of this leak here. I will know probably Monday or Tuesday, because we're expecting some very severe weather over the next few days. What a beautiful view. You see the snow up on the hills? That's just from this morning. Isn't that neat? All the little spots along the coast tells too. The snow. So anyways, I'm gonna go home. I'm tired, cold, I'm a bit wet, covered in tar. Yeehaw. Ain't getting anywhere near my new car looking like this. So anyways, hopefully that takes care of it. Hope you have a good weekend, folks. Stay warm, stay dry, kiss your loved ones. Talk to you later. Okay. Locked.
3 days later.
See, you can see my face. All right, we're checking to see if it leaked. Pray to God didn't leak because no occupancy sucks. All right, I should clean up my mess. All right, let's check. Fuck. All right. There's some water in here. Well, that's disappointing. Okay. So I think then what I'm going to do is, fuck. Okay, well. Shit. All right. I gotta call the boss. I don't know if I should further my test because we are experiencing more water. We're expecting more water this week. And I'm wondering if I should just do another lengthy test on it. So, Son of a bitch. Okay, well.
1 semester later.
All right. So, got a light. Got my handmade selfie stick. We'll go up there and take a look. But look at this beautiful weather. We've had some wicked rain, but we're now expecting 70s this week. And remember, on the 1st it was snowing. Yeah, so anyways, let's go up in here and find out what's going on real fast. How's it going? How's it going? Alright, so I don't know if I'm getting this in frame. Oh, geez. So uneasy. That's it. Now, it had that, it looks wet, that little spot behind it. That looks wet, but you know what? I don't think it is. I need